Oh no, the batteries claim that they're dying, whatever.
Cameras dying?
The batteries claim that they're dying, whatever.
Yeah.
You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of sophomore year. My friend and I went to the vending machine, and we were just kind of here.
I'm not done. I don't know what I want now. Every time I come here, I just lose my mind.
Don't get those.
Jalapenos!
Don't get those, and I won't eat those.
I want those Cape Cod chips.
Because I won't eat them.
I'm obviously gonna have to eat some.
Why don't they take my finger? Oh God. Can't have that happen. It's a cannibal vending machine.
This is gross.
If it gets stuck, I'm gonna kill one of you.
I just walk away.
Mike wants to ask me. Let's go.
I'm not doing it on
Come on over.
camera.
I'm gonna put all my quarters in now. 2, 3, 4, 10.
What is she getting? Nice crispy treat.
No!